Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the meaning, pronunciation and the usage of this small word dire. Let's break down the pronunciation. It's dire. It's one syllable word. The vowel sound is I and E is silent. Dire. Dire means very serious or extreme. Here are 7 example sentences in different situations. The company is in dire financial trouble. It means it's a serious trouble. She gave a dire warning about the consequences of ignoring the issue. The warning is serious here. The hospital is in dire need of medical supplies. It's serious and sometimes it's used for urgent as well. Without water, the situation became dire within a few days. The situation was serious. The weather report predicted dire conditions during the storm. So, extreme conditions. The team's performance was so poor that their chances of winning looked dire. Means that the chances of winning were not very much. The other extreme, very less. He faced dire consequences for not following the rules. Serious consequences. Let me know how did you find this lesson and do you want me to teach you any particular word? Let me know in the comments and take care. See you in the next lesson. Bye.